Welcome to the Desert Shave Den. My name is Joseph. Thank you for watching. So here you can see I'm out near Red Mountain, out in northeast Mesa, Arizona. It's a rainy March morning, so this might not go very well, but we'll see. So thank you for watching, and let's get going with a shave. So today I'll be shaving with Astra Planeta from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. This, as you can see, is almost totally gone. I've used it quite a bit, but I think there's enough where I can tub load right out of there and give it a last hurrah in the nice setting. So hopefully a downpour doesn't come while I'm out here. And you can hear I'm actually not too far off the road, so if you hear cars in the background, that's what's going on. But I'm going to try to make this quick. And I'll be using a Rockwell on a 5-plate loaded with a Voskhod blade. So I'm gonna apply some Proraso pre-shave. Okay. Okay, and let's try building a lather. I hope there's enough soap in here to get a usable lather, and hopefully it doesn't wash off in the rain, but we'll just have to see how it goes. The scent on this is really nice. It's considered a tobacco scent, but if you look at their scent notes, which I do not have memorized, it's quite long. There's like pettigrain and lavender and woody notes and all sorts of stuff. It's a very nice scent. Even if you're unsure if you like tobacco scents, this would be a good one. It's very easy to like. Even my wife likes it. Looks pretty good. A little more water. Definitely a 2-pass shave. I don't know if you can hear or maybe even see the rain coming down. This is probably a dumb idea, but I'm gonna try to be brave and have a little fun with it. Okay. This is the CK6 base. Very nice. As you can see, since I'm almost done with it, this will be the last shave with it probably. I've really enjoyed it. Helicopter going over. There it is. This will definitely be a rushed shave, but I'm having fun, so. Nice and smooth. Okay, let's rinse. I don't mind getting a little wet in wet shaving, but I would not want to get struck by lightning because I'm holding a metal razor. That would be a little silly. Okay, let's rinse and just do one more pass. Again, not the cleanest rinse, but feels pretty good. I don't think I nicked myself. Let's lather up and pack this puppy up so we... Yeah, really nice scent on this. Can't go wrong. If you want something a little unique, but it's not really woody. I mean, it's got woody notes, but you know, it's actually kind of floral. Overall, very nice scent. Okay, let's go against the grain here. Yeah, so Red Mountain, you can't hike it. You cannot. It's on tribal land. So it's not open for recreation. But it is certainly one of the primary landmarks in the Mesa area. There's all kinds of businesses, you know, Red Mountain this, Red Mountain that. Red Mountain High School. I did not attend there, but... Okay. And apologies if in advance if I wrap this shave up early. Nothing wrong with a short and sweet shave. You can see the clouds are moving in. Okay. Still have some lather, but that's a darn fine shave, actually upper BBS. Okay. Yeah, let's towel off as best we can. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm using Barrister Mann's Spice Aftershave Splash. It's a dupe of old school vintage Old Spice. The bottle's getting all wet. It has notes of nutmeg, aldehydes, carnation, citrus, tonka bean, ambergris, and heliotrope. It's really nice. Yeah. Okay. That might just rinse off. I don't know. Man, that smells good. Well, wish I could have given this setup and my PAA Astra Planeta a more formal send-off. Feels a little rushed, but this is definitely a one-of-a-kind experience. Let me know if you've ever shaved in the rain. Yeah, that's the shave. Again, my name is Joseph. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll try to keep it up where I'm outside in places around the desert. But otherwise, hit the like button, comment. Always appreciate your feedback. And yeah, just have a nice day and stay dry.